You would like to contribute to the CrowdWater project and add a new plastic pollution spot? There are two options, floating plastic and plastic on the shore. Let's start with floating plastic. In the app, click on the black plus symbol and select the category Plastic Pollution. Make sure that your position is shown correctly in the map. Otherwise, drag the map to the correct location. If you see any plastic in the water, take a picture of it. Otherwise, you can take a picture that shows that there is no plastic. Then upload the picture by clicking on OK. Click on the option Floating Plastic. In case the water is stagnant, select the corresponding option. Otherwise, you can leave the checkbox blank. Add for how long you will observe the water body, for example 1 minute, as well as the proportion of the river that you will observe. At this small creek, it is easy to observe plastic pieces over the whole width. This may be difficult for large rivers. Count the number of floating plastic pieces that pass by you during the observation time. Then click on the corresponding option. As you can see, you can also enter the observation in case there is no plastic visible at all. If there is plastic and you can remove it, that's nice. But take care and stay safe. If you could remove the plastic, check the corresponding checkbox. You can also add observations of plastic on the shore. If you can see plastic along the river, take a picture of it. Otherwise, you can take a picture that shows that there is no plastic. Now click on the option Plastic on Shore. How long is the shore for which you observe plastic? Choose from the 4 options given in the app. Click on the number of pieces you observed within the shore length. Again, if there is no plastic visible at all, you can add this in the CrowdWater app. You can also indicate if you could remove the plastic from the shore. But stay safe. For both types of plastic observations, check if the date and time is correct. Then click on Save to save your spot. Thanks a lot for your contribution.